What if I told you that 90% of AI image generators are being used wrong? Yeah, most people just type a few words and hope for the best, but the ones getting insane results, they're using specific, carefully crafted prompts that almost nobody knows about. I've spent weeks testing hundreds of them, and I've narrowed it down to the 21 that genuinely stopped me in my tracks. These aren't your basic "a sunset over mountains" prompts. These are next level. So if you want your AI images to go from meh to absolutely jaw-dropping, stick around, because this list is going to change the way you create forever. Simply go to flow.google and create a new project. Once you're inside, you'll see the Nano Banana 2 model. And yes, this is where you can use it completely free. Now type this prompt: a comic of today's top 5 real-time world news. Hit generate, and within a few seconds, boom, you'll get a comic featuring the top 5 global news stories. But here's the catch. Look closely. This is not actually real-time news. As you can see, it even added the date as 2024. But what if I change the date to today's date? Let's see the result. This is definitely better than the previous one, but still, some of the news isn't actually real. It's clearly AI generated. So to overcome this problem, instead of using Nano Banana 2 inside Flow, head over to Gemini AI. Go to gemini.google.com, click on Create Image, and select the fast model. You don't need a pro plan. The free version works perfectly. Now, paste the same prompt and hit generate. This time, boom, you'll see actual real-time news in comic form. That's why I recommend using Nano Banana 2 inside Gemini instead of Flow for this type of content. Now let me show you something even crazier. Take the same prompt and replace the incident with any trending topic. For example, Iran versus Israel conflict. Then add a person's name, like Benjamin Netanyahu, and hit generate. Instantly, it creates a single-character political satire comic automatically. Now watch this. Replace the incident again, for example, petrol price hike in Pakistan, and this time add 2 people, like Shahbaz Sharif and Ahsan Munir. Hit generate, and now you'll get a 2-character satire comic in the same style. This kind of content has huge viral potential right now.
Now let's move to another powerful use case. Use this prompt and replace the TV show name. For example, Money Heist. Hit generate, and it will create a 3D stylized mirror selfie based on that show. You can try this with Stranger Things, America Got Talent, Turkish dramas, or any movie or series. These mirror selfie visuals are trending everywhere right now.
Next, replace the team name like Spanish football team, and it will generate a 3D mirror selfie of the entire team. I tried this with Australian cricket team, World Cup 2023, and Al Nasser, and the results are insane. Now here's something even more useful. Upload your own photo, paste the prompt, and it will generate a custom rubber keychain version of your image, perfect for merch, branding, or stickers. This one is wild.
Use this prompt and enter any famous personality, and it will create a glowing stars version of them. I tested it with Vladimir Putin, Lionel Messi. You can even upload your own photo and turn yourself into a glowing stars style character. Next, enter any brand name, and it will generate an ice sculpture style logo. You can also upload your own logo and redesign it in the same style. Now watch this carefully. Upload a blurred image, paste the prompt, and Nano Banana 2 will upscale it to insane quality. This works surprisingly well. Next, replace the city name, and it will generate a 3D miniature map that looks like a real physical model. Now for something creative. Replace the character name with your favorite celebrity and choose a color. It will generate a postcard ticket style image. You can try this with John Cena, Neymar, or even replace it with a city name to create travel style visuals. Now this one is next level. Upload your image and enter the coordinates of any location, like the London Bridge coordinates. along with a wide-angle shot.
Nano Banana 2 will place you realistically in that location. And if you want to take it further, add date and time and you can literally create a time travel effect. For example, using historical coordinates and time, it generates a scene as if you were actually there. This is honestly mind-blowing. Next, use this prompt with any celebrity name and it will generate a Chibi Cloud character version. You can also upload your own image and turn yourself into one.
Want cinematic content? Replace the word in this prompt and it will create a movie-style title poster, perfect for thumbnails and reels. For product creators, this is gold. Replace the product name, container type, and surface, and it will generate studio-quality product photography, just like a real ad shoot. And it doesn't stop there. Enter any brand name and it creates a full cinematic commercial scene with billboards, buses, buildings, and LED screens. Perfect for marketing content. You can even generate Apple-style 3D anatomy renders by simply entering an organ name. Or upload a 2D floor plan and it will convert it into a realistic 3D waddle.
You'll find all these prompts in the Google Docs file linked in the description. Go ahead, try them out. Create these trendy viral images and surprise your friends with what you can make using AI.